Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make jarred vodka sauce better. First, let's build a flavorful base. Heat about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and a 1/4 cup of diced onion. Sauté these aromatics gently until they become fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. This simple step instantly adds depth and freshness to your sauce, making it taste homemade. Next, let's boost the richness and depth of your sauce. After adding the jarred vodka sauce to your pan, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or half and half. This makes the sauce incredibly creamy and luxurious. Then, pour in about 2 tablespoons of vodka and let it simmer for a few minutes to cook off the alcohol, leaving behind its distinct flavor. For a little warmth, add a small pinch of red pepper flakes. Now, let's add some freshness and texture. Fresh herbs are a game changer. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped basil or parsley just before serving. Their vibrant flavor brightens the entire dish. Also, incorporate about 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese directly into the sauce for extra creaminess and a salty tang. You can also add cooked chicken, shrimp, or sautéed mushrooms for a heartier meal. Finally, let's perfect your sauce. Always taste your sauce before serving and adjust the seasonings. You might need a little more salt, freshly ground black pepper, or even a tiny bit of sugar to balance the acidity. Let the sauce simmer gently for at least 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your incredibly enhanced vodka sauce over your favorite pasta, perhaps garnished with extra fresh basil and Parmesan. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.